Breaking developments overseas. After revealing he tested positive for coronavirus, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is now in the hospital. The news coming shortly after a rare address from the Queen. ABC's Maggie Rulli is in London.
Tonight, Boris Johnson hospitalized on doctor's orders 10 days after testing positive for coronavirus. The British Prime Minister had been working from home.
I still have a temperature, and so in accordance with government advice, I must continue my self-isolation until that symptom itself goes.
But Johnson's high fever has not gone away, and today he was admitted to the hospital. The news coming just hours after a rare televised address from the Queen.
I hope in the years to come, everyone will be able to take pride in how they responded to this challenge.
The 93-year-old monarch rallying her country as the crisis hits close to home. Her son, Prince Charles, testing positive.
We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again.
Cases here are spiking, the death toll at nearly 5,000. The numbers are also surging in France, where the military airlifted COVID-19 patients out of the hard-hit regions to hospitals in other parts of the country. And in Italy, where the death toll stands at more than 15,000, the Pope celebrating a very quiet Palm Sunday.
Oggi, nel dramma della pandemia.
Praying inside an empty St. Peter's Basilica.
All right, Maggie Rulli joins us now from London. And Maggie, I want to go back to Boris Johnson. His office says the Prime Minister was admitted as a precautionary step.
Yeah, exactly, Tom. His team was careful to say this was not an emergency visit. But, Tom, the fact that his symptoms have now lasted for 10 days is very unusual, and that is why they are so concerned. But his team was also very careful to make it clear that even though he's in the hospital, Boris Johnson is still in charge of this country. Tom.
Maggie Rulli with that breaking news about Boris Johnson tonight. Maggie, thank you.